Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will review another website, that is nailbo.com. We will check out in this video either it is a trustworthy site or not. So if you are a nail lover and want to decor your nail by you, or you do not have any time to fix an appointment with this salon, this is a website made for you. But before going to buy anything from this website, let's check its legitimacy. As it is discussed that Nailbo is an online store that is providing all essential related to with nails. So it helps you to get the salon looking nail at home with their Nailbo dip kit. All the products are highly quality and provided in a reasonable price. Even they can deliver all the nail essentials and powder across the corner of the world, including the United States. So this is the introduction of this Nailbo. Let's check the pros of purchasing the products from nailbo.com. Like, it is a very time saving activity, as there is no need to commute to our local market and then buy some nail decor products. It is also a money saving activity because they provide you or offers you 10% off just by subscribing their website. Moreover, this is available at your doorstep and there is no pressure of any crowd, especially in this pandemic situation. Moreover, they have different payment option available and it makes easier to use the one that you have. Payment is entirely secure. Moreover, you can get $10 if you refer any friend for this website. So all the payments, transaction and sign up and logins or password are safe on this website due to its SSL and integration. No security issue is there. But when we check this negative or cons of buying the products from Nailbo, we can find that sometimes their price range is quite high. Moreover, online payment method are available, no option for cash on delivery, and shipping time is quite a mess. So let's check what people are saying about the nailbo.com, as people already shopping from this website and share some of the views on the products. We have explored the site deeply and know about dealing with customer reviews. Many customer reviews are available on this website and it signifies that ladies and girls are pleased with the products and kits as showcased. The lady says that it is speedy to use these essential and the tutorial they provided is very sober to follow. Other reviews that is perfect nail solution as it is quite inexpensive as compared to salons, so it is simple to do at your desk, at home or office during spare time. After this customer reviews, we got to know that all the products are optimum quality and you will never find such products or colors at any other side, and the price are easy on pocket, so you can buy the products and enjoy best quality nail essential.